Did you know that YouTube has launched a new feature to everyone, and that is A and B, the thumbnail, which is the test and the compare. Many YouTubers have been asking for this feature for many years and more years to come, and most YouTubers have been waiting for months to get your hands on it. Then need that be the case? I have some good news because this video you are watching is for you. On the YouTube studio, you go to content, then in the thumbnail, go to three dots, test and compare the A and B testing thumbnails. The ability to speed up multiple thumbnails at the same video has finally arrived. So to check a thumbnail, you need to make sure to have it from a desktop computer browser after you upload a video. And for those videos that you've already uploaded, you go back to channel content, you go to video details, and you see exactly the same thing for one video. The crash and the cause in it for A and B thumbnail test and compare, it allows you to upload up to 3 thumbnails in one particular video instead of 2 thumbnails, and it tests over a long enough time period to get enough data back and decide which thumbnail works best to increase the watch time share with the YouTube audience. While it takes time to work with the trim thumbnail like 7 days per week or 14 days per 2 weeks, the result will come the best performance to determine the watch time share. Whichever thumbnail wins, YouTube will use going forward, and you can stop a test and start a new test as many times as you like. You should be able to start using it now, and if it's not available now, then wait for it very soon. So as you can see it says the test can take up to 2 weeks. Please check back later to see which thumbnail performs the best, and the watch time share. It's the question to the answer is, it says how is the winning thumbnail selected. The winning thumbnail generated the highest share of a video's watch time. Then why is it the watch time share used? The great thumbnail is because the great thumbnails don't just get viewers to click, they also help viewers to understand what the video is about so that they can make informed decisions on what to watch. By selecting based on watch time share, the winning thumbnail is the one that gets viewers both to click and stay to watch. Additionally, the YouTube search and discovery systems consider both when ranking videos. Choosing thumbnails based on watch time share will benefit both you and your viewers. So YouTube said they've done this because it reflects both the click, the promise, and the retention and the reward. If you can argue about that or disagree, you can put it in the comment if you want to. And the source for this information comes directly from YouTube in an article published literally hours ago, and the most important is it includes the requirement to start the A and B test and compare using this advanced feature on the YouTube studio. If you go to the YouTube studio, then you go to settings. Then after settings, you click on general. Then click on the advanced settings ahead of feature eligibility. Then you realize that the advanced feature option is enabled, which it has turned green. Whether the option is enabled or green, and the requirements for this are either valid ID, channel history, or a video verification, and which is basically and is suitable for you doing YouTube for a while, and then you don't panic if you already have features, but if you don't see the option feature, then it will roll out in the coming weeks. And none of details are conclusive. There's Vidagil's new generate tool. What I can give you snippets is it will create thumbnails for seconds, and it will help with some of their A/B testing. So it is currently on it, and it will give it away. And here comes the 50% off an annual plan. The Boost annual plan is actually 7 days free trial, so you can give it a try. And if you wanna give a trial, you can click in the comment section. And if you wanna learn more about YouTube, you can smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you wanna go quicker on YouTube, because I upload a video every single day on how to go quicker on these platforms, a tutorial, common ways of fixes on such as Windows Windows, Android, and so many more. So that's all the video for today. If you wanted to learn more about how to skyrocket your YouTube short views for 5 tricks, then watch this video right here and tell us what you think in the comment section, and I will reply, and I'll get a reply to you people soon, as soon as I can. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.